Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with the document open and the page visible. You don't need extensions. First, open the File menu and select Page Setup so you can control the page background. Once in Page Setup, pick Page Color to see the swatches and a custom option. You're doing this because Docs treats backgrounds as page color, not images, by default. Using Page Setup ensures changes apply to the whole document or become the default for new docs. Now you'll add a full-page image background because Page Setup only sets color. Go to Insert, choose Drawing and plus New, add image inside the drawing canvas, and upload from your computer or drive. Once the image is in the canvas, resize to cover the drawing area and choose Wrap or Behind Text depending on visibility. Behind Text keeps editing simple. Save and close to place it in the doc. Then drag and position it so it covers the page area. Finish by selecting the inserted image and using image options to adjust transparency, brightness, and position. This prevents the image from obscuring text. If you need the background on multiple pages, copy the drawing to each page or place it in the header so it repeats. Make sure you test print or export to PDF to confirm. If the image shifts while editing, set text wrapping to behind text and lock position with fixed location to stop accidental moves. That's the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.